Hello and good morning. Today is the 8th of February 2022. I'm your host, Maurice Rothwell, International Trading Coach here at TradersClub24 in Hamburg. We are logged in once again for our market opening trade in the DAX. So as always, I'm going to switch over my screen and we can see the MetaTrader 4 for our regular visitors. I'm sure you're familiar with the scene here. So we've got the MetaTrader 4 open. Up in the top right hand corner, we've got our SwissBox. SwissBox is our trading tool. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to press the box lines on. Once I get those box lines on, we see our two lines in the chart, the red line and the green line. These are representing our two pending orders. So the green one being a buy stop and the red one being a sell stop. Just in the middle here, you can see 12.5. So that's 12.5 points between those two lines. And what we're essentially trying to do is we're trying to trap the market within this 12.5 points of range before we expect any kind of breakout. Hence why we're trading early in the morning, just before the market opening, as that's when we're most likely to see the most volatility in the market. So the index markets are very predictable in when they should have their movements, unlike sort of Forex markets. Forex markets can be very volatile, however, very unpredictable about when that volatility will occur. So as you can see here, what I've done is we've got our open range box in the chart here, 34 points. And what I've done here is I've placed our trap box, our SwissBox trade, just here at the bottom. As you know, we need 25 points. For those of you who do know, we need 25 points between our box and our take profit. So this blue line here is our take profit. And if I just measure that here, we can see that that is 25 points distance. And the reason why I've placed it here strategically is because we've got 25 points down towards this big number. Those of you who know the big numbers, we consider them to be pivot points in the markets, or sort of magnetic for the market to sort of bump between and flow through. So it's a strategically placed SwissBox trade for this morning.